How to add Lloyds Card to Apple Wallet. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can add Lloyds Card to Apple Wallet. So before we begin, if you're new to our channel, don't forget to subscribe and stay tuned for more. So let's begin. First, open up your Apple Wallet. After you open up your Apple Wallet, you should see the plus button right besides the wallet option. Tap on plus. After you tap on plus, you'll see this Add to Wallet section. And here you'll find this section that says debit card, traveling card, and many other options. So here you're going to select the one that's best for this situation. And for now, that's debit or credit card. Select that and then tap on continue. After you tap on continue, you can tap on enter card details manually. And now all you have to do is enter out your card details. So here you will need to enter out the card details for your Lloyds card. So simply enter out your name and the card number from the Lloyds card, tap on next and follow the prompt. And with that, you'll have added your Lloyds card to your Apple Wallet. And that's how simple it is. Thanks for watching. That's all for today's video. Stay tuned for more and bye-bye.